How to create a Khan Academy account. If you want to use the Khan Academy account and you don't know how to create an account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the app just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to create an account, simply tap on to sign in, just right here. Select it. Now from here you can simply continue with Google, Facebook, Apple or your email. Now simply choose one of the IDs just like this. For now I'm continuing with Apple and tap on to continue. Now it is signing in and now you can see you have simply signed in and created an account on it. And that's it. This is how you can create account on the Khan Academy app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.